Hi, I'm Kip Rumens with Travis Industries. Today I want to introduce you to the moisture meter that gets included with every wood stove that we sell. The moisture meter is a real handy tool for you to use when you're burning a wood burning product. First, it'll tell us if we're burning dry seasoned wood or not, which will tell us if we're going to get the optimum performance out of our product. It'll also help keep your glass a lot cleaner if you're burning dry seasoned fuel. So your moisture meter comes shipped in a nice little box inside of the wood stove just like this. Take it out of the box, install the 9-volt battery, and then pull the cover off. The cover covers up two little prongs. These two little prongs are what you stick onto the wood, and you don't have to jam it on there, you just press it into the wood. And I'll show you how to do that. You press it into the wood, you hold down the button here that says low moisture content, and it'll tell me my moisture content. And this piece right here, we're running about 12%. So it'll give us our moisture content of our fuel and say we're good to burn. Anything below 20% is really good dry fuel. Anything higher than that, it's not what you want to do. Now the end reading of a piece of wood is going to give you a drier content than the center of the wood, because the center isn't exposed to the air. So what I really want to do is I want to split a dry piece of wood. So we get people all the time going, yep, it's dry, it's at, well, it's right at 20. Well, the internal core moisture of that wood could be higher. So what we want to do is split a piece of wood. By taking the moisture content of the core of the wood, it'll give me a better true reading. This piece of wood's at 16% on my low moisture content, and on my high moisture content, it's over 35. The moisture meter has two buttons. One's low moisture content, one is a high moisture content. If the high moisture content, if you stick it into the wood, press the high button and it's at the number 35, that means it's higher than 35% moisture content. Shouldn't burn this wood. If I had pressed the low button and it was below 7%, it wouldn't register either. That's how you use the moisture meter. If you're pressing the low button, it'll read up to 15%. If you're pressing the high button and it goes all the way to 35 and it lights up, that means I have higher fuel moisture content than I really want to be burning inside any wood stove. I split another piece of wood, and on this one, stick it in, and it's at 14%. Perfect wood for burning. The other piece, way too high. If I press my high moisture content button right now on this, it won't show anything because it's less than 16%. So the high moisture content is only to get it dialed in between the 16 and 30% number. The lower number, anywhere between 7 and 15. Thank you for taking the time to watch the information about the moisture meter and how it's used and how it's going to benefit you. And again, thank you for purchasing a Travis Industries wood burning product.